It's time for another gardening update. Hey gardening community, it is I, Miss Janita, back again with another video. And today I'm sharing with you my propagated snake plant. Did I try to say Sansevieria? My mother's tongue. Here it is, still alive. The tall leaf is growing. It did get knocked out the dirt, so I don't know if it's going to recover, but I put it back in the dirt, put a little water. But it's a garden spa day for this plant. And it's still alive, but I guess where I have it, it's not getting much light, but from the light bulb. But these are low light plants, but I guess I need to feed this plant because I would like for it to get bigger, because I love the tall Sansevieria plants and such. So I'm gonna try and do that, but I had to just come through, make a little short video to share with my gardening community, let you know I'm still enjoying plants, gardening, stuff like that. The balcony, since I hurt my back, it's delaying me from finish doing what I need to do, like decorating, doing some little decorating out there and stuff. The fire and all the stuff out here in California with the scent of, the smoke in the air. They say stay indoors, don't breathe all that stuff, but I don't know. Since my back, that included recovering from spraining my back from picking up heavy stuff, which now I know I shouldn't be doing at all. Anyway, I'm gonna do my best. I just had to come through and share a little plant that is still surviving. So loving my Sansevieria, loving my mother's tongue, loving my snake plant. I hope I'm saying Sansevieria because I done forgot so much. I need to get back in my book. I promise you, I'm about to do some reading. Okay, guys, later. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.